every owner or a marketer needs to understand the market trends, maybe just to add a new feature to the app or to create content that resonates with the current market trends or to redefine the marketing strategy. And now I will show you how to perform a quite good quality market trends overview with just a couple of clicks. So this is Aiter, a tool that allows doing this. And for example, let's imagine I'm running a bicycle shop. So I love cycling. Let's Google for bicycle shop. So Evan Cycles, for example. Let's copy the address and launch a new campaign in Aiter. Let's click generate. And here is our campaign. So here we can see a marketing brief that was generated with the link provided, but we need market trends analysis. So we just click here, click generate again, and voila. So here we have an overview of market trends for bicycles, for like bicycle shop. And what we can see, we can see an overall market dynamics overview, also consumer behavior expectations, relevant technological advancements, content and channel preferences, emerging opportunities and threats. So quite a lot of information, which will definitely give us ideas for content, for changing our business model and stuff like this. Let's dive in a bit deeper. So we can see that, for example, in 2024, the UK cycling market experienced a decline in sales. It's a post-COVID trend also. But enthusiasm cyclist segments, like higher priced road and mountain bikes, more specialized ones, so they demonstrated year-on-year volume growth. And also that the e-bike market is a significant driver of potential future growth. So yeah, this is just a couple of trends. And what about consumers? So consumers tend to maintain and repair existing bikes over purchasing new ones. So what could it mean for a business strategy? Like shops like Evan Cycles could switch their focus to servicing bikes, also proposing some services to the existing client database and generated content on how to maintain your bike properly, because it has higher demand than, for example, on how to buy a new bike and stuff like this. So we can also see that sustainability and eco-friendly transportation are significant drivers for consumers, particularly in facing the uptake of cycling for commuting and shorter journeys. So this is another trend which Evan Cycles could take into account, whether in the business strategy or content generation. Also that consumers conduct extensive online research before making a purchase, because as we know already, people tend to buy more specialized high-end bikes right now, and it requires a lot more preparation and research, so etc. There is another trend and for more cycle-friendly roads separated from roads, like for cars. So this is another trend that Evan Cycles could cover by, for example, participating in such campaigns or starting them, or even becoming, like a negotiator with the local government, or I don't know, like launching a Kickstarter campaign for renovating a road and separating a cycle road from the main one. So stuff like this. And it's interesting to check out what relevant technological advancements we have in this industry. So advancements in e-bike battery technology are leading to faster charging, longer life, etc. So this, in terms of business strategy, we can tell that there is a sense in buying more e-bikes for Evan Cycles to resell them to consumers and focus more on this segment. Also, we can see that there are a lot of integration with wearables and data-driven insights, like bikes integrated smart accessories like helmets with integrated features, and advancements in areas like tire technology, etc., and aerodynamic design. And also, I'm sure that we will see a lot of bikes with integrated AI that analyzes the data, like of athletes or of just people cycling, to help them boost their training, etc. Interesting trend, by the way. Oh, and there is an increasing interest in self-inflating tire system and wider road bike tires, indicating a focus on comfort and performance across varied surface. Yeah, so in terms of content, what are the trends for the industry? We can see like that there is demand for practical topics like tire sizes and saddle height, etc. Also, there is a soaring demand for specialized apps and communities, so cyclists could communicate with each other and plan group events and stuff like this. And also you can see some list of opportunities and threats, like that, for example, in 2025, it's predicted that the market will be growing. Also, the increasing demand for services markets, repairs, maintenance, and stuff like this. And threat, for example, the continuing decline in children's cycling participation and bike sales is a long-term concern for the industry future. So there are fewer sales of bikes for kids, and economic pressures continue to influence consumer spending, particularly impacting higher value purchases like new bikes and leading to heavy discounting in some areas like e-bikes. So as you can see, there is quite a lot of information here which you can use, not for your bike shop, maybe for bike shop, but whatever you run. If you go to Aiter and do this little experiment, you will get a lot of information on how to apply these trends in your industry for your marketing or business strategy. So take 5 minutes and check this out because it's quite easy to explore, and I wish you growth. Cheers.